The beautiful game has been met with controversy. Congratulations on becoming the owner of this fantastic club. There's huge potential here, but your first task is to sign your team captain. The club scouts have compiled a short list of players for you to consider. Choose wisely, as you'll need all the experience you can get against some of the best teams in the world. Good luck. Welcome then to the opening game. Both teams welcome to drink. So we're off. Which way will this game go? Oh, a dangerous place to give away a free kick. And the first player to end up in the book today. First, so close. The weather conditions are absolutely... Well read. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Giroud, extraordinary conviction. A fairy tale start for this player. A debut.
Aduh.เหลือพี่เท่งก็ออกเช้าที่29เนี่ยเหมือนจะยืนเนี่ย
And the deadlock's broken. How will the other team respond? And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Oh, and dispossessed there. Now here's Giroud. What a well-timed tackle.
ขอเล่นสัก2 ครั้งนะผมขอเล่น1 ครั้งไปนะ
What a well-timed tackle.
เอาเป็นไร
Now here's Giroud. Defenders look. Oh, good block there. Played in field. Well cut out. And that's lofted upfield. Oh, that's a pointless challenge. What's the referee going to do here? Oh, he's got off lightly in my opinion. It's just a warning. Well intercepted, and he's back in possession. Well intercepted. Now here's Giroud. Oh, he did really well there. Goodness me, that was close. Let's see that again.
ไอ้ยีมเนี่ยคู่แข่งของทีมเราครับไอ้เนี่ย
Well cut out. costly. Adoris, and he's back in possession. No doubt there. That'll be a booking. Yellow card.
นี่ครับเอา
You can cut the atmosphere here with a knife.
น่าจะยิงเรียบๆครับดู
Well taken penalty. And a coolly dispatched penalty. Will be pleased he was able to convert. The manager will be pleased with getting back into this game. That's it for now. It's half time. So the second half underway. All to play for. And both teams more than capable of winning this. Played wide. What a well-timed tackle. So what's the referee going to do here? Oh, he's got off lightly in my opinion. It's just a warning. They've won the ball back again. Nice work there. Oh, determined challenge there. Adoris. Well intercepted. Oh, that was close. Is this the moment? Great story here. The new signing has opened his account for the team. So we're off again here. Oh, determined challenge there. Adoris. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Good catch by the goalkeeper. Thrown out by the keeper. Oh, determined challenge there. And here's a chance. It's the upright. Quality defending there. That's well out by the defender. Passed well. Adoris. Great goal there. He'll be hoping to add more to his tally now. Oh, well timed. Oh, and dispossessed there. Striker's ball. Passed out wide then. He read that one absolutely perfectly. What a lovely cross-field pass. They have the ball again. Defenders are looking to the assistant with a flag. He goes for goal. Oh, that's just off target. They're well ahead now, and this should be the win for them.
ซึ่งออกมาจากการเรียนพิเศษเสร็จ
Well intercepted. He's onside here.
อีกลูก
And he stayed onside. And he scored. Good work there to get on the score sheet. The manager will hope that form continues. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal. Thrilling game. A great lesson to all upcoming footballers on how the game should be played.
เดี๋ยวมันต้องมีกระเหล็บเดียว
Ó o beat movimento, ó. Vai. Vai. Pesado. Vários homens, bomba, 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 bomba aqui. Vários homens, bomba, 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 bomba lá. Vários homens, bomba, 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 bomba aqui. Vários homens, bomba, 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 bomba lá.